Hello all, how are you? I'm hoping you guys are doing great, and from this lecture we are going to start our journey into programming world. We'll start learning programming language like Python. Right? We'll start building the project. We'll learn what is Python, what is a programming language, how to write a program, how to save a program, how to run a program, what is the need of program, how to communicate with computers. So if these questions comes to your mind, so you are in the right place. I am going to be your instructor for the course. My name is Ashish Jangra. I am training student on these technologies from last 2+ years. I've trained more than 5,000 students on different technologies like Python, data science, data analysis, which are data science, which are giving one of the highest paying jobs out there. So in this course, we are going to start working from the very basic. If you don't know anything about any programming language, or if you don't know what is coding, we'll start from there and we'll start going up where you can make your own programs to automate the things. Sounds interesting? Let's jump into it and I'll see you in the course.